everybody, my name is Adriana and I'm 7. Come with you. This is my favorite school, Equilibrio Kids. I want to show you something. This classroom is for younger children.
On Fizzy Field Farm. Where's the farm?
This is my classroom and these are my friends. We love Equilibrio Kids! Drugari, pridružite se našoj jezičkoj avanturi.